Today we are going to review Wine Connection, which is a high-end Italian restaurant chain in Bangkok. This place serves Western food like imported Australian steak, pizza, pasta, and seafood, and of course, a huge list of imported wines. We had a selection of cold cuts, as well as roast beef and feta cheese bruschetta. A main course, we had the lamb shank and seafood pasta. The staff are very friendly and the food was delicious, though the prices are on the higher side for Bangkok. We also enjoyed the desserts like chocolate cake and creme brulee. So if you're looking for a tasty Italian restaurant in Bangkok, be sure to check out Wine Connection.